Imagine making money while you're asleep. No boss, no office, and the best part, you never have to show your face. Faceless YouTube is exploding in 2025. And right now, people just like you in Pakistan are turning their bedrooms into gold mines. Sounds like a dream? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to build a faceless YouTube channel from scratch and turn it into a full-time income stream. Look, we've been sold a lie that you need connections, a big office, or a 9-to-5 to make it in life. But here's the truth. In 2025, YouTube doesn't care who you are. It only cares about what you create. More than 122 million people visit YouTube every single day. And here in Pakistan, content is still massively underproduced. That means the opportunity is wide open. But that window, it's closing fast. Every day you wait, someone else is claiming your audience. In this video, I will also give you a trick as well, which most YouTubers won't tell you. So, hit the like button and subscribe. This trick will help you to boost your channel reach, views, and subscribers. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Faceless doesn't mean brainless. You need a niche that pays. Start with a niche that's both profitable and sustainable in 2025. High CPM niches, personal finance and Urdu English, mixed tech explainer and reviews, self-improvement and mindset, Islamic storytelling, history or news breakdowns, motivation and productivity hacks, kids, animated stories. Pick something you can research easily, not something that burns you out. Step 2. Set up your channel the right way. Checklist. Create Gmail plus YouTube channel, brand name via namelix.com, logo plus banner via Canva plus Leonardo, AI, channel keywords via VidiQ, about section, write with ChatGPT, upload a trailer, short intro from Pictory. Even your branding can be fully AI generated now. No need for a graphic designer. You're the CEO and AI is your team. Step 3. Research and content. People don't care who you are. They care about one thing. What's in it for me? The key to watch time and money? Solving real problems. If your title, thumbnail, and intro don't promise value, no one clicks. Use free tools like VidiQ, Google Trends, and ChatGPT. Your goal? Find what people are searching for but not finding. Step 4. Script writing and voiceover. For script writing, you can use ChatGPT. Just write prompt. I want to make a video on 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Give me detailed script today and your script is ready within a few seconds. For voiceover, you can use your own voice. All you need just mic. You can use your mobile mic and a quiet room, or use AI tool for voiceover. I use 11 Lab because it's more realistic and others are robotic. If your voice sounds like you're reading a lecture from a boring economics textbook, use the AI tools then, as I am doing it because I tried and sound like reading a lecture. Step 5. Visuals and editing. Stock footage, animations, screen recordings, Canva slides, it all works. Use tools like Pictory or InVideo. Leonardo AI to generate text to images. CapCut or VN app, free and easy. Canva for thumbnails. Your editing doesn't need to be Hollywood level. It just needs to move the story forward. Now, time for the trick that most YouTuber won't tell you. YouTube Shorts is the best way to grow your channel fast. When you upload your full-length video about any topic after a few days, make clips of the main points from the video, or provide some chunk of information on YouTube Shorts. So, viewers who find it useful, they should have to visit your channel to watch the full video. With this trick, you will get more views and subscribers as well. Step 6. Monetization. This is why you're here. Here's how the money starts rolling in. Mainstreams. AdSense. $0.5 to $5 per 1,000 views, depending on niche affiliate marketing. Add links to Fiverr, Daraz, Coursera, etc. Digital products. Sell templates, PDFs, Notion planners. sponsored deals, even small channels get them now. Freelance gigs. People reach out after seeing your channel. Conclusion. Starting a faceless channel in 2025 is not about going viral overnight. It's about being consistent, smart, and using the right strategy. And if you've watched till now, you're not just curious, you're ready. The only question is, will you act or let the opportunity slip? Your time is now. Your camera may be off, but your future's about to turn on. Ready to take it one step further? Click the next video on screen where I break down 10 side hustles through which you can earn money in 2025, how they work, how much you can earn, and how you can do that